The Abmaxi Chrome Revitalizing Sponge for Sanitary Metals has arrived. Now you can clean, maintain, and restore your faucets, showers, and chrome accessories in general. See how easy it is. Use the foam side of the sponge with your preferred detergent and scrub the entire piece. Then, with the side of the sponge containing the product, polish it with repetitive movements until you achieve the desired result. Because it is a nanotechnological innovation, it eliminates the need for additional chemical polishing products. Then rinse the entire piece. A quick, practical cleaning and an ecological polish. Just look at the result, what a fantastic shine. All of this is only possible due to the nanotechnology used in Abmaxi products. This product developed by Abmaxi has been tested and approved in laboratories by the best manufacturers of chrome parts and sanitary metals. Let's take a closer look at the before and after. See what a fantastic shine. To purchase our products, visit our website www.abmaxxi.com.